So we have this rectangular piece of tin that is 50 by 40. And we're going to cut the sides like this, with side length x and x. Then you'll make a lidless box, right? And the area of this base here, right, the base that this box creates is going to be 875 centimeters squared, okay? So if the missing side is x, the area of that box is just 50, which is this entire thing, minus x minus x. That's 50 minus 2x times 40 minus x minus x. Okay, so that's going to be 40 minus 2x. Okay, so expanding this out, right, this becomes 2000 minus 100 minus 80. Right, so that's going to be minus 180x, and then we get plus 4x squared. Okay, so let's bring everything to I'll bring this to the right-hand side, and you can get 4x squared is minus 180x. Then we have plus 2000 minus 875. Okay, so if we have that, we end up getting just 1125. Okay, and this is equal to 0. You can use the quadratic formula here, right? Setting a to be 4, b to be minus 180, and c to be 1125, right? But you can also factor it by noting that this is 2 and 2, and this is going to be minus 75 and minus 15. Multiplying these two, you get 1125. 2 times minus 15 plus 2 times minus 75 gives you minus 180. Okay, so then you can go across and write the factors like this. 2x minus 75, and then we have 2x minus 15, and that's going to equal to 0. So x is either 75 over 2 or 15 over 2. Okay, so if it's 75 over 2, right, notice that this side, actually, if we look at here, 50 minus 2x, right, we're going to get 50 minus 75, right, but that makes it too long, so we cannot use this side. So x must be then 15 over 2. Okay, so then that's the side length of each removed square. And now if you want to find the volume of the box, all you have to do is then, right, when you make a box like this, the height's going to be x, right? The height is x, the base, right? We already know what the area of the base is. So we just have to multiply this area, right? So the volume is going to equal to the area of the base times the height, which is x. Okay, so then in this case, it's going to be times 15 over 2. So we get 875 times 15 over 2, and you'll get 6,562.5 centimeter cubed.